Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and we'll do a quick unboxing for my new HDR 27-inch gaming monitor. This is ASUS ROG STRIX XG279 or XG279Q. So guys, we'll remove the box, and I prefer to cut and open the bottom first. Way easy for me to undo the box. Then, let's check the accessories what we have inside in this gaming monitor. Just gently undo the box. Alright guys, we have our manual. We have one piece of HDMI cable, a display port cable, a USB 3.0 cable, and we have only one power adapter, including with two different types of power cord. And this thing is for iOS cover at the back of the monitor. And this will be our monitor stand. Well guys, the material type is a solid aluminum, and I can say pretty well designed of this monitor stand. Okay, that's all we have the accessories, and let's proceed about this monitor we have, my favorite monitor. As I need to insert my monitor stand guys, I put in opposite way with a styro just to prevent damage your screen and place it comfortable way. So this is your LED lights here, just be careful. It is very easy to lock your monitor stand by using hand tight only. And see this tree slotted to fit it in from your monitor, and make sure guys to position where you're facing up. Alright, we're done. Make sure these three screws here are tightened. So this is the maximum up and the minimum down. And we'll take a closer on it by side view. Our front view. So guys, it's time to remove the plastic also. These are your selection switches, and this round red is your small joystick. Time to power up our gaming monitor guys. Oops, I forgot to put that logo, the acrylic LED light covers. And before I put it in guys, I have to remove the plastic cover around the logo. Here we go guys, the logo is already installed, and I will show you now the backlight, where the ASUS Aura Sync RGB lighting at the back. Turning off the light so we can appreciate the RGB lighting at the back of the monitor. Well guys, just to remind you, this is not fully reviewed, and we are performing only for a quick unboxing and a few informations. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please hit the like and subscribe for more unboxing film. Thank you guys.